Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to stop on by and check out this vid. Today, a product review. A huge shout out to Poetic for sending me not just one, not just two, but three cases for my LG G7 ThinQ. These cases are definitely going to look sexy on my G7, but more importantly than that, they offer great protection for my investment. There's a lot of money I put into this device that I work really hard for. Why would I not protect my investment? Now, as always, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description. When you hit that link, it'll send you over to Amazon. And it is there that you're going to read everything before you order. Okay? Everything. Maybe you don't want all three. Maybe you just want one. Either way, bring something in to protect your investment. Here's a little information. We do have the Poetic Revolution. It's going to be $18.95. We also have the Poetic Guardian, scratch resistant, and we have the Poetic Carbon Shield shock absorbing slim fit TPU case. The slim fit is $8.95. The Poetic Guardian, $18.95. The Poetic Revolution, $18.95. You also get tempered glass screen protectors with these two cases right up here. Okay, so I'm not going to get into everything. I want you to hit that link, go over to Amazon and read everything, and consider bringing in one of these Poetic cases. They've been making cases for a long time for a lot of other smartphones, and I'm going to tell you, man, they have been great. Again, shout out to Poetic. This will be a little bit of a lengthy video. There's 3 cases that we got to review here, and that does take some time, so feel free to skip forward, go back, maybe watch a little bit of the video. Whatever. I would appreciate if you watched the full review, sit back, sip on some coffee, maybe some water, maybe a Pepsi, a Coca-Cola, whatever is your flavor, and enjoy this review. Let's get into the packaging here. Both the Poetic Revolution and the Poetic Guardian, 2 outer cases here, come with a tempered glass screen protector. It's a beautiful looking screen protector and it feels very strong and durable. We will find out how well it does in a later video. Will not be doing the install today because last night I installed, if you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out, an IQ Shield liquid screen protector on my G7, and it is settling in really well, and it looks really good. And what a better way to test these cases from Poetic with the IQ Shield liquid screen protector and vice versa. We'll see just how case friendly the IQ Shield screen protector is with these Poetic cases. Not all cases and screen protectors work well together. Disclaimer, that's just the way it is. But for the most part, here on my Project 13, over 95% of what I brought in from different companies have worked really well together. So I'm stoked to see how well the IQ Shield works with the Poetic cases here. And we're just going to get this started. So we're going to start off with the Poetic Revolution. The first piece here, polycarbonate frame here that's going to lay over the top of my G7. Got the volume rockers there. You got your Google Assistant button there. You have speaker grill open there, USB Type-C port, your mic area right in there, and you have your headphone jack. Up top you have mic area right in there, and then on the right hand side you have your power button. Then we're going to take and just put it in like that. Now I'm not going to click and seal this frame with the polycarbonate part of the case here. This has a little bit of TPU and polycarbonate material. It's very strong, very durable. For those of you who work in a very tough environment, man, this is the case to consider right here, man. These flaps, there are some of you out there who cut these off, but if you work in that type of environment where there's a lot of dust, things flying around, you may want to leave those on. But again, if you press up against the sides and the top here, those two pieces come together. You'll hear the clicking sounds of them come together, and this case will be on here. Very, very tight, and it'll just have a very solid feel. Let's test out the fingerprint reader. Okay, turn off. Button works good there. 1, 2, 3, and boom, very nice. Test out the volume rockers. Oh man, just so responsive and soft. You hardly have to press on that area. Let's take a picture. Make sure there's, hey, there's me again. Let's get a picture of me. All right. Now I do have this set to stay in portrait mode. Let's get it in landscape. There we go. So what we're looking for is any shadowing. Everything looks good, man. I can just see it from here. Everything looks great. Yeah. Got the signature set up right there. So that looks great. Let's get to the next case here. We're gonna do the Poetic Guardian next. Okay, same process. We're going to lay down the polycarbonate frame here. Volume rockers. We got the Google Assistant button, key, whatever you want to call it. I want to say Bixby, and I thank God it's not the Bixby button, man. And the power button over here. And you do not have flaps over here. You have your speaker, because the flaps are going to be on this part of the case. You got this plastic polycarbonate see-through back with TPU. Looks nice. It's beautiful, beautiful. But your USB charging port, mic, headphone jack up top, the mic area as well. So pretty simple setup, just like the Revolution. I go in from the bottom and I push down. Just like that. I'm not going to click all that together. I'm not going to seal it. But again, once you do, it's got a very tight hold on itself onto the device, and that's the key important thing here. How well your device is being protected and how it's just staying solid within this case. And it's just very strong. It's sexy. You want to make sure you clean the back of your device really well and the inside of this polycarbonate see-through backing here. It's plastic, it's thick, strong material, but you want to clean that really well and then put that on so it doesn't show any of the smudges or fingerprints or anything like that. But this area right here with the flash, the cameras, dual cameras, fingerprint reader, nice and open as well, just like the Poetic. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the device, and 1, 2, 3, and bam, 1, 2, 3, and bam, and volume rocker. Like a little song and dance, man. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please leave a thumbs up. Again, huge shout out to Poetic. Check out all their products. Got mic right up there, and there's those flaps. Yeah, everything responsive. We're going to take a picture. Okay, we're going to look at the picture, and everything looking great. No issues, no shadowing, everything perfect, everything working great together. All right, so now we're going to look at the Poetic Carbon Shield. Carbon fiber back there, TPU, flexi. It's a lot slimmer, a lot more minimal compared to these cases. But man, I'm telling you, man, you work in a tough environment, you're going hiking, you're going to the park, whatever it is, you're just that person that drops your device constantly. These are the cases that you want to sport. And look at how beautiful that is. There's other color choices, so you can go check those out when you hit that link. Take you over to Amazon. All right, let's look at the carbon fiber TPU flexi case, flexible case. Up until now, I didn't say one word about this IQ Shield liquid screen protector as I was reviewing both the Poetic and Guardian cases. But if you notice, on my G7, the IQ Shield liquid screen protector has not been disrupted at all. There is no lifting on the sides, the corners whatsoever with putting on the frames and the cases, taking them off. Nothing has been interrupted. The integrity of the screen protector is fully intact on my G7. The last case is the Poetic Carbon Shield TPU case, flexible case, minimal. And that looks sexy. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Turn that off. Fingerprint. Yeah, look at that. Take a picture. And everything looking good there with the cutout back there. The dual camera setup. No issues whatsoever. Great spacing, great cutout, nice depth on all three of these cases. And nothing is happening to the IQ Shield liquid screen protector. Again, in a later video, I'll be peeling this puppy off and installing the Poetic tempered glass screen protector. But everything working great, and that's what you want to see. You want to see different companies come together and work well together. Because like I said in the middle of the video, disclaimer, sometimes that doesn't happen. You know what I didn't try out? The wireless charging. Woo! Yeah, digging that. So you know what we have to do? We're gonna have to put on the Poetic Shield. I'm just gonna put this on like this. And there we go. Oh man, isn't that sweet? You gotta dig it. You gotta love it. Poetic. Doing it right. All right, I know some of you want to see the Poetic Guardian. I turned that off. And once again, everything is working great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for being a part of this video. Seriously, hit that link. Check out all the information. Protect your investment. And give Poetic a shout out. God bless. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. I'm out.